The Bagwe in Busia district have gotten a cultural head, the Omwenengo Philip Wanyama Nahaama. Chairman Uganda Cultural Leaders Forum, His Royal Highness Isabaluli of Bululi Constantine Butamanya Mwogezi officiated the ceremony held in Busia. Butamanya Mwogezi urged Ugandan cultural leaders to desist from being influenced by the West cultural leaders who impose Western values in Africa.
Speaking as the chairman of Uganda King's Cultural Leaders, Western countries want to penetrate, to use our cultural leaders to destabilize Uganda. They are creating some incentives in order to woo the cultural leaders, mainly laws.
He commended President Yoweri Museveni for restoring of the cultural leadership in Uganda. The Kingdom Prime Minister, Egesa Arafat, said they have satisfied all the requirements necessitating the creation of a kingdom, and now emphasis is on unity, transparency, accountability and development.
Your Excellency, therefore the decision by your government to restore the cultural institutions in Uganda, the gazetting of Omwenengo Philip and its king, and now the coronation of His Royal Highness Philip Wanyama Nahaama as Omwenengo Philip are landmark events we the people of Omwenengo Philip cannot just treat as ordinary events. I therefore, on behalf of Omwenengo Philip and the entire people of this kingdom, wish to extend our sincere appreciation to you and your NRM government for not having only restored the cultural institution, but also continues to support them.
The Busia Resident District Commissioner, Okiria Chris Mike, who represented President Yoweri Museveni, appealed to the people of Busia to live the aspirations of the kingdom's leadership and work towards the prosperity of their families.
To congratulate you, Your Royal Highness, upon reaching this day, which is historic in the lives of the people of Busia. And I promise that my office and the office of the district are going to transmit the memo that has been read here in situ, the way it is. And I'm sure that our dear President is going to receive it today.
The Vice-Chancellor Makerere University, Professor Barnabas Wanangwe, implored the kingdom to mobilize communities to introduce education fund to help restore the education glory of Busia district.
As a Vice-Chancellor, and because of what I have said, how our education deteriorated, I want to implore you, Omwenengo, to start an education fund of Omwenengo, so that all the children who are dropping out of school can remain in school. I want to pledge, Your Royal Highness, that I will personally donate 5 million shillings to begin that fund.
The Bagwe are one of the Ugandan tribes that are existent in Uganda, comprising 184 clans occupying Busia district.